If your condenser fan blade is cracked or damaged, fixing it quick is super important to keep your AC running smooth and avoid bigger headaches. Okay, so first off, turn off the power to your AC unit. Like, seriously, safety first. Then, pop open the condenser unit's cover and check out the fan blade carefully to see if it's actually cracked or just dirty. If it's cracked or chipped, don't try to tape it up or anything sketchy like that. You need to replace the whole blade. When you get a replacement, make sure it matches the size and model of your original fan blade so it fits right and spins properly. Take a picture or write down the model number before you buy the new one to avoid any mix-ups. To swap the blade, loosen the set screw or bolt holding the blade on the motor shaft, then slide off the old one gently without bending the motor shaft. Put the new blade on carefully, tighten it back up, and spin it by hand to make sure it moves freely without wobbling. Finally, put everything back together, turn the power on, and listen for any weird noises. That's how you know you did it right. One of the biggest problems people run into with replacing a condenser fan blade is buying the wrong size or type of blade, which messes up airflow and can burn out your motor. Always double check those specs. Another common mistake is not turning off the power before working on the unit, which is super dangerous and could cause serious injury. Always flip that breaker or unplug it first. Lastly, people often forget to check if the motor shaft is bent or damaged when replacing the blade. If it is, just swapping the blade won't fix your AC problems. You might need a pro to handle that. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making home repairs way less stressful. Plus, if you are a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for your skills and get more work lined up.